welcome to INS Fam. First thing first, since you have uh, been associated with Modi ji, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, for so many years and working in the field of education, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ काफ़ी लंबा रहा है एंड एज अ सिटीजन एंड ऑल्सो हैविंग वर्कड विद हिम, हम दोनों पर्सपेक्टिव से जानना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन टू इंडिया. He has been PM for 11 years. इस 11 साल में कितना बदलाव आया है भारत में, and also of course 25 years के बारे में we'll talk later.
So, if you're talking of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, there are so many things he has done. It's incredible. Sometimes when you try to make a list of the things he has done, you would think, how can one person have done that, right? But so I won't talk about everything, but I'll talk about education. In the field of education, he's done some incredible things. And I would say that maybe he's not an academic, but I think he's the world's greatest educationalist. I think the work that he's done in education, and one of the reasons I think the work he's done in education is his love for children. I think he really loves children. So because you see this beautiful program that he's done, Pariksha Pe Charcha. But Pariksha Pe Charcha and making children exam warriors. I think that's wonderful. Like he's just changed the whole concept of examination. And, like it is not about, stress or family stress. And then he talks about how they should learn and what. In that one program, I think that of his, I think that he shows how much he really cares for children and education. Then, of course, there is that wonderful program called Man Ki Baat. People may think that it's, he's just talking, but you don't realize how much he's teaching while he's talking. अगर हम उस दृष्टि से देखें, तो हमें पता चलेगा कि वो कितना सिखाते हैं. And he's reaching out to everybody. Like east, west, north, south, villages, urban cities, 1, 2, 3 tier cities, means everywhere he's reaching. And he's talking about so many different things. And people who listen to it regularly, because I know people do listen to it regularly, they're going to learn so much. Besides this, there is this beautiful National Education Policy 2020. वो 36 years के बाद आई है. And I am an academic. I'm an educational researcher even. I'm not just a teacher. I think that it is one of the world's greatest policies, education policies. और उस education policy पे you can see the PM's हाथ all through. Of course, there were a team of people who were making it, but मैंने देखा नहीं है. But when I think of it, I can see him telling, कि ऐसे करो, वैसे करो, वैसे करो. Because, on TV, you do see him conducting meetings. So I'm 100% sure for something so important, he must have conducted the meeting and said, ये points आने चाहिए, ये points आने चाहिए. और मुझे मालूम है क्योंकि मैंने position papers लिखे हैं. So I've written the position, I was in the group that was writing the position papers for pedagogy and curriculum. That is कि कैसे सिखाना और क्या सिखाना. Besides that, there were other groups that were doing history, geography, language, all that, mathematics. तो एक सब्जेक्ट था, एक टॉपिक था आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन. और जब हम लिख रहे थे तो मैंने बोला कि कीप इट 1 to 12, क्योंकि हम स्कूल के बारे में लिख रहे थे. तो मेरे ग्रुप में जो थे कुछ सीनियर भी थे, उन्होंने कहा नहीं 1 to 12 मत रखो, आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन 1 to 5 रखो. मैंने बोला देखो रखो, इस बार नहीं रखेंगे तो कब रखेंगे, लेट्स जो दिल की बात है कर लो. अच्छा, आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन रखा, उन्होंने ड्रामा निकाल दिया, उन्होंने पेंटिंग वेंटिंग ये सब रखा, म्यूजिक एंड ऑल. आपको पता है 1 वीक के बाद हम सब कर रहे थे फाइनल, 1 वीक के बाद एक नोटिस आई, एक नोट आया, और उस नोट में था कि ड्रामा इज मिसिंग, प्लीज इंक्लूड इट. एंड उन्होंने एनसीईआरटी वालों ने बोला कि ऊपर से आया है. ऊपर तो एक ही व्यक्ति है, तो आप सोचो कि वो कितने डिटेल में ही इज टॉकिंग. Then he's introduced something called IKS, that's the Indian Knowledge System. एक बहुत बहुत wonderful thing is there for 1 to 8 is the 10-day bagless school. I think it is one of the most beautiful things because वो दिन है, 10 दिन निकालने हैं, 10 days, 1 month, 1 day per month, जहाँ बच्चे बैगलेस जाएंगे, बैग के बिना जाएंगे. नाउ इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि स्टडीज़ नहीं करनी है, पर उन्होंने क्या लिखा है उसमें कि प्री वोकेशनल एजुकेशन, इंट्रोड्यूस देम टू डिफरेंट वोकेशंस, कार्पेंट्री, वीविंग, पॉटरी, उससे कितना कुछ होता है. एंड ये सब उनकी आइडिया है, मुझे मालूम है, बिकॉज इससे वो गांव का जो कुम्हार है उसको रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है. You start respecting that vocation because the children are learning it in school. Suddenly जब वो कुम्हार के दुकान से जाएंगे, वो उसे कुम्हार की तरह नहीं देखेंगे, they will see him as an artist who's making pots and a skilled person. Now skills बच्चे तो ऐसे ही ढूंढेंगे ना. How will you find your skill? Because you see our village children, mostly farmers, या nothing. अगर उनको ये skills introduce हो जाते हैं बचपन में, तो थोड़े बड़े होने के बाद वो लोग they will start thinking skill building, जो उन्होंने introduce किया है कि different vocations, 9-10 standard के बाद skill building करो, कि engineering, medicine are not the only things. कितने और vocations है, then he started the startups. तो तुम vocation शुरू करो, तो ये startups will be a way to take your vocations to the world. मैं सोच ही नहीं सकती कि एक व्यक्ति ने इतने सारे चीज़ किए. जैसे जब वो गुजरात में थे, तो he introduced electricity, 24 hours. उसके बाद मेरे बच्चे रात को पढ़ने लगे. You see, people, I mean, I am thinking it from a teacher's point of view. ऐसा नहीं है कि घर में दिया आ गया, पर मेरे बच्चे जो 6 बजे के बाद कुछ नहीं करते थे, अभी पढ़ने लगे. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने एक प्रोग्राम भी शुरू किया, which was वांचे गुजरात, where children were given prizes for reading books. Libraries got books, schools, oh my God, swachhata, the sanitary units, toilets in schools is one of the most beautiful things, क्योंकि girls drop out होते थे. और आप जाके देखो, the toilets in so many of the, most of the schools are so good. See, if अगर हमने वो टॉयलेट अच्छे नहीं रखे, तो it's our responsibility, not his. उन्होंने तो हमें ये सुविधा दी है. गर्ल्स के लिए कितना अच्छा हो गया. After they started getting them periods and all, they could go to school आराम से. आप कभी आके देखो गुजरात में, where he started the whole thing. Then एक university level पे he started such a beautiful thing called cluster universities. जो universities like राष्ट्रीय रक्षा university is beautiful. उसमें क्या है, उसमें all the security learnings, units are there together. So forensic is there, bodyguards and security का है, फ्लाइट सिक्योरिटीज़ का है, ऑफिस सिक्योरिटी है, पुलिस है, you know, all the different fire hai, you know, so all the different security, you know, things are learnings are in one university. So this is purely his idea, you know, where he started cluster universities. I think it's beautiful because sometimes, you know, they're intermingling, joint hota hai, you know, and these universities are started in villages. तो जैसे this, for example, Rashtriya Raksha University is on the Labad village ground, now a land, and the children, you know, are with the university. The university shares their buses with the schools of Labad. So कितना, I mean, you know, उनकी एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल क्वालिटी है, वो बहुत डिटेल में जाते हैं, यू नो, एकदम लाइक राइट डाउन टू, या इतना माइन्यूट, एंड यू थिंक है हमने तो सोचा ही नहीं था, यू नो, काइंड ऑफ थिंग, बहुत डिटेल में जाते हैं. जैसे डिजिटल इंडिया, ई विद्या, what beautiful programs, like your locker, you know, तुम्हारे locker में तुम्हारे सब certificates हैं, तो you have to just put it, you know, it's fantastic, it's superb, you know. So he's done, I just can't stop, there are so many things he's done, like, you know, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It is fantastic because, you know, ये सब कहते थे कि हाँ बेटियों को पढ़ाओ तो यू नो एक फैमिली सुधर जाता है, ये होता है वो होता, पर किया किसने, यू नो, ही वेंट एंड डिड इट, एंड ही गेव रिस्पेक्ट टू द गर्ल चाइल्ड, यू नो, एंड मेड इट सो इजी फॉर द गर्ल चाइल्ड टू स्टडी. सो आई थिंक, आई, you know, like he's done all these beautiful things. He's like a gift to the children of Bharat. You know, like, I'm, you know, Narendra Bhai, he becomes like a family person. Sometimes it becomes very difficult for me to say Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I always think of him as Narendra Bhai, you know, an elder brother, जो हमारे लिए इतना कर रहे हैं, you know, as a teacher, I think it's fantastic.
एक इंसान अकेला, I mean, इतनी छोटी छोटी चीजों में घुसे, so you think like I'm sure he must be gifted with some superpower, because
I'm 100% sure he you know, got some superpower, because how can one person be able to do so much? Like, see Operation Sindoor, and what respect to women army officers, you know. I think it's beautiful. Then, you know, all, you know, उस दिन मैं ISRO गई थी, Ahmedabad, the first one. Yeah, because it was started by Vikram Sarabhai. They told me that ऐसे PM तो कभी आए नहीं. You know, he stands with you. अगर हम, ऐसे नहीं है कि failure नहीं होता है ना. But he comes and he pats you on the back and he says, no, don't worry. And एक बार उन्होंने बताया कि एक बार he was there and there was, you know, like he had to sit for about 8 hours. And they told him 8 hours बैठने के बाद हम 100% guarantee नहीं दे रहे हैं कि ये success होगा. He says, नहीं, मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ. And I will, he's the Prime Minister, yeah. कितना, he says कि they said कि roadmap he wants. He says, you tell me within 5 years what you will do, within 10 years what you will do, 15 years you will do. And he wants to see it. You understand? Yeah, no. First of all, he wants to see that paper. Yeah. And then he wants to see the implementation. But he wants to see the blueprint. He wants to see how does one person see everything. I mean, I'm only talking about one topic and he is doing so much. एक व्यक्ति ये टॉपिक भी करते करते खत्म हो जाए, but he does 200 things like this. And the best is, उसके बाद भी he is like as if वो अपने हैं. You know, when you see him on the roads and how he told that girl, come down, I will sign your painting, तुम नीचे उतरो पहले. I mean, कितने लोग तो ऐसे इग्नोर करके चले जाते हैं, गिर गए, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इंडिया में ऐसा ही है, सब भीड़ है, ये है वो. नहीं, वो हाथ मिलाते हैं, बच्चों को मिलते हैं, हाथ सिर पे रखते हैं. एक तो मुझे इतनी जेलसी हुई थी उस लड़की के साथ. आई थिंक इट वॉज इन वाराणसी, जब वो कॉरिडोर खोला. शी वॉज टेकिंग अ सेल्फी दूर से, तो वो पास जाके सेल्फी खिंचवाई उस लड़की के साथ. You know, that's so sweet. He's so kind, you know. I really think he's like Narendra Bhai.
So, and also you were talking about जैसे education को लेके काफी बात होती है. So, in coming years, as a teacher and as an academic person, what change do you see in India? Last.
See, the change तो ये आ गया है. In the senses अभी change implementation करना है, तो उसके लिए भी वो बहुत सारी सुविधा दे रहे हैं कि अभी जो NEP में है उसकी ट्रेनिंग दो टीचर्स को. You know, now IKS है, that is beautiful. You know, when you're going, like they saying कि law college में अर्थशास्त्र पढ़ो, at least पढ़ो तो सही, know what was there. And it's beautiful if you read it कि you know governance कैसे था, architecture, vastu, everything, you know, Ayurveda, the way it's being promoted, and all that will take time, no? I mean, immediately तो नहीं आ सकता है. एक तो हम ही अनाड़ी है. We take so long to understand, you know. Why don't we be like him? Fast understand and implement it, you know. Like he says things like skills, size and scale. वो करो. हमें वॉर फुटिंग पे काम करना चाहिए. उन्होंने तो हमें रास्ता दिखा दिया है, you know. So, yeah.